Hi guys, my name is Armin and welcome back to my channel where I do travel videos and I review hotels and technology that I use as I travel and also food and things like that. So remember to smash that like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell and all of those other things that people always ask you to do. So if you're watching this video because you're interested in a fast charger for your phone that supports fast charging, then this is the video for you. So when I got my Samsung Galaxy S10 in the box, it shipped with a adaptive fast charger. That's what it actually says on the charger, adaptive fast charging. And this charger that shipped with my Galaxy S10 Plus is a 15 watt charger. And that is actually the fastest charging speed that my Galaxy S10 Plus supported at that time. And it shipped in the box, and this is what I was using with my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. But then when the Galaxy S20 series came out, those smartphones supported 25 watt charging. So they shipped with a new charger in the box, and on the charger it actually says in front super fast charging. So this is what the 25 watt charger looks like. So these were the two chargers that I was using for my S10 Plus and my S20 Plus. But then recently in 2022, when Samsung released the Galaxy S22 series, so I skipped the 21 series, the S22 series, I bought the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which I'm actually busy using to film this video, by the way. What was nice about the S22 Ultra actually supports 45 watt charging, and unfortunately the S21 series and the S22 series where I stay do not ship with a charger in the box. Now there might be lots of reasons for this. It might be environment or saving some money, cutting down costs, but be it as it may, if you have a phone that supports 45 watt charging, then you would want a charging head that also supports 25 watt charging. And if you are paying the money for the S22 Ultra, then you definitely want to take advantage of the specifications and the abilities, the features that comes with the phone. And one of those features definitely is the 45 watt charging that you get in the S22 Ultra and also in the S22 Plus, compared to the normal S22, which only supports the 25 watt charging. So there are a bunch of options for those of you who want 45 watt chargers or fast chargers. You can buy a Samsung charger and things like that, which obviously it's going to cost a lot of money. But in this video today, I want to review the option that I opted for, and that is the Baseus GaN3 Pro super fast charger. Now this fast charger is actually a 65 watt charger. I have a little booklet that explains to us, like a user's manual, explains to us a little bit about this charger. So definitely worth reading. Obviously this charger, as you'll see, it also ships with some stickers, pretty cute. The user's manual explains the basic features, functions of this charger, and I'll explain that in a moment. So in the box, we basically get, apart from the user's manual, we basically get two things. We get a USB-C to USB-C cable. So USB-C and USB-C. This cable is 1 meter long. So it's very nice for them to ship this within the box. And the nice thing is, it actually says it on the cable. This cable supports 100 watt. Okay, so even though the charger is just a 65 watt charger, the cable itself, USB-C to USB-C, supports 100 watt. So very nice of them to add this inside the box. There are other brands that also sell fast chargers that do not add the cable in the box. Inside, obviously, we find the charger itself. As you can see, very nice compact size. That is the first benefit of this charger. It's because of that GaN technology mentioned. So it's wrapped in this plastic, and then it actually has another plastic around it, which I will probably just leave it there for now. Then you can see over here it has the pins that you can flip it open like that for when you charge it. You can flip it close again, and then on the other side we have 3 ports. So the first benefit of this charger is the compact size. Here you can see it compared to the 25 watt charger, not really that big of a difference in the size. A little bit bigger, but it's not really that much bigger. If you take in comparison, you get 3 ports and it's a 65 watt charger. So you can see it compared to the size. And then the second benefit is definitely the 3 ports that we find over here. So it's 2 USB-C ports and then a USB-A port. 2 USB-C and a USB-A port that we find at the back. And then we also have a light on the one corner, and this light will help you when you plug it into the wall. The light will shine on to show you that the charger has power. So if you just want to check a power outlet against the wall if there's power or not, you can just flip it open, stick it into the wall and see if that light is on or not, and then you know whether there's power or not. So 65 watt charging is for the whole power brick as a whole, for all 3 ports combined. So in the user's manual that I explained a little bit earlier, it actually explains how it divides up the 65 watts in this power brick. If you just use the top one by itself, then it's 65 watts straight. So if ever you want 65 watts, then you use the USB-C one, the first one, there on top. For the USB-C-A, it's limited, I think, to about 20 watts, the USB-A. That's just, I guess, the limit of the technology and things like that. So if you want USB-C 65 watt, you can use the cable in the box for that. If you have an iPhone, then obviously you'll need to buy another port to connect it with your phone. Then if you use both of the USB-C ports, on the box it explains to us how it will divide it. If you use both of the USB-C ports, then the first one will get 45 watt charging and the second one will get 20 watt charging. So for me, for personal use, I think I would only be using 2 of these ports at a time. If you have devices that don't need 25 watts or 40 watts, then you can use all 3, like maybe earbuds or headphones and things like that, or a gimbal or drone or something like that. If it doesn't support crazy high speed wattage charging, then you can definitely use all 3. But for me personally, with my S22 Ultra, I'll use the first one on top to get my 45 watt, which is the max speed of the S22 Ultra, and then I can use the other 2 ports to get a nice another 20 watt out. Charge maybe another phone, get 20 watt speed, which is pretty good, or charge a drone, gimbal, things like that. Very nice speed. This is definitely, in my opinion, a very, very good charger. If you are a content creator, if you're someone who travels a lot, you need compact size, you need 3 ports, and you have the speed, you have the 1 meter cable. Definitely something worth considering. So let's talk about price. I bought this one for about $30 US. Very competitive price. If you compare it to other chargers, that's going to be like 45 watt charger with only a single port. It's almost going to be the same. It's going to be the same price or even cheaper. So definitely with price, can't go wrong. Specifications, the size, Baseus GaN3 Pro fast charger is the way to go. This is really an amazing device. Good quality. I've actually been using a charger just like this for a while, haven't had any problems. It doesn't get like excessively hot or uncomfortably hot or anything like that. So this is definitely a charger that I'll recommend. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to smash that like button and to subscribe for other travel videos and technology review videos, technology that I use as I travel, and see you guys in the next video.